Have you ever wondered what your home would look like with illuminated walkways and entryways? What about those trees and shrubs on your lawn that nobody sees once the sun goes down? Right now, Drake Lawn and Pest Control is offering a great new opportunity for customers. We will install a temporary landscape lighting demo kit, free of charge and commitment free, so that you can experience our landscape lighting firsthand. If you love the way it brightens up your home, you can sign up for our landscape lighting service and choose from our catalog of lighting fixtures that is best for your property. Outdoor landscape lighting is an affordable way to beautify your home and create additional living space without costly renovations. And once your system is installed, Drake will maintain your lighting system on a quarterly basis and will provide you a 10-year warranty. Call or chat with us today to set up your free landscape lighting demo kit. Drake Lawn and Pest Control. Quality service guaranteed.